All right, tell me who you are and what you do.
Al Hudson, the legendary Al Hudson, alias known as Al the Bandit, consultant, promoter, national promoter for Bungalow Universal Distribution, also owner of Club Records, also owner of Platinum Records, also consultant for Zillionaire Records, Quint Black Music. I represent thousands of labels throughout the United Kingdom. And back here in my hometown, Dallas, you know what I'm saying? I commute back and forth from Dallas to California, but I'm back in Dallas now, you know what I'm saying? Get ready to really put some blessing situations together throughout Dallas and throughout the United States.
All right, how you know Go Hard Black?
Go Hard Black, man, I'm telling you, I met Go Hard Black, I'm talking about back in 1999. And me and Go Hard hooked up, man, through a blessing situation. And I've been following his career ever since. He was very, very instrumental on the first album he put out, which was a monster album. And very, very talented individual and humble gentleman, you know, and we just kicked it from there. You know what I'm saying?
And what you think about what he's trying to do with his music?
Well, I see what Go Hard doing with his vision of his music, and with the blessings, he's getting ready to really set up a really major move. You know what I'm saying? You know, I always felt that he always been really, I'm talking about to the top of the T with what he's been doing, and he set the trends for a lot of the artists. I mean, from my standing point, from what I've seen, he really paved the way for a lot of artists. And he's very, very humble, and he kept his vision, and that's the key with this business. No matter how long it takes you, you got to keep your vision, keep your focus, don't let anything distract you. You know what I'm saying? And just keep that focus. I always felt that Go Hard always had the focus, and this is why he's going to be blessed. You know what I'm saying? You know.
Okay, now if you can sum what you think about Go Hard and then Go Hard Black movement up in a couple of minutes, how would you sum it up?
I will sum his movement, man. He always put God first, because believe it, I'm gonna tell everybody out there, you ain't finna make nothing happen without God. You better put him first, trust me. And I always felt Go Hard I always had that. And very, very guy, man, that, I mean, you know what I'm saying, that's very, very focused. You show love to everybody, man, you know, so I always told him that, hey, Go Hard, your blessing is coming. Just keep networking, doing what you're doing, you know what I'm saying, your blessing coming, you know what I'm saying. You got a great organization, great team, you know, that's why I always felt, I said, man, 2014 is going to be really a Go Hard record year, you know what I'm saying, you know.
You got any final thoughts, any shouts you want to put out?
Well, I'd like to shout out, first of all, to number one, the Lord. I'd like to shout out to Go Hard Black, Quint Black Music, Zillionaire Records, the family down at Universal Distribution, Bungalow, Paul Ring, Club Records, all of my affiliates, and all of my executives and A&Rs throughout the country. We must continue on and make money. That's what it's all about, man. However you do it, make your money, man. Get the CDs out there, man. Sell the CDs, man. Give the public, give the world. You know, let's get back to the real stuff, and let's get back where it used to be. I mean, come on, bring the realism back to it, to the game. You know what I'm saying? You know, because believe me, across the country, believe me, you can't fool the public. The public gonna know what time it is. You know what I'm saying? They gonna buy the real, and the fake gonna keep faking. Like Mean Green, my homeboy used to say, the real keep it real, and fake keep faking. Believe me, that's true. That's the truth. That's the real talk. Go Hard Records, you know what I'm talking about. Go Hard Black. Tech, be on the lookout, baby. The movement is here. 2014, Al Hudson, Al the Bandit. Yes, sir.